Good morning. My name is Matthew Moore. I'm the Senior Technician for Traffic Safety Corporation. We're introducing a series of videos for the TS1000 and TS1100 crosswalk systems for troubleshooting and system functions. The next fault to consider is a push button fault. If we are in a normal configuration, by depressing our push button, we should get a momentary activation red LED and our lights should flash. If the lights are not flashing, we may very well have a push button fault, which could be our push button, our wiring from our push button to our activation terminal blocks, or from the blocks to the controller. So we will first take a jumper and go across our terminal block. And if we do not get a flashing LED, then we know we have a problem from our activation terminal to our controller. If we do get a flashing LED, then we know that we have a problem from our activation terminals. It could be the wiring to the push button or the push button itself. If we take our push button and jumper across and we have activation, we now know that we have good wiring on our push button, but the push button itself may be defective.